Hello and welcome to Section 4, Multi-Page React Apps with React Router. We will cover how to configure routes, redirect URLs, and conditionally render content. In this video, we will review the app we're going to build. One of the most common use cases of React is to build multi-page applications. So in this section, we're going to work on building this simple interface out with a few different links that take us to about a particular person, a contact page, and the ability to simulate a login functionality where when you do, it takes the user to a different page. So we're going to be learning about redirects and the ability to log somebody out and take them back to the home page. With the strategies that we're going to be covering in this section, we have the ability to make all of the components as simple or as complex as we want, that have all sorts of content, all sorts of animations, and whatever you can think of.